Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to import and export packages in Unity. What is a Unity package? Unity package is a special file format used in the Unity game engine to bundle assets, scripts, and other project files. It typically has a Unity package extension and allows for easy sharing and importing of project components. What is a Unity package? Unity package is a special file format used in the Unity game engine to bundle assets, scripts, and other project files. It typically has a Unity package extension and allows for easy sharing and importing of project components. First, let's create a simple demo scene in Unity. This scene can include a few objects and basic game mechanics. Now, let's assume we don't want to share this scene with a friend, but we do want to save it for future use in other projects. After designing the scene, we will convert it into a Unity package. This way, we can easily import it into different projects or keep it as a backup. Let's see how it's done. The first step is to right-click on the scene in the Unity project window. From the menu that appears, select Export Package. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose which assets you want to include in the package. Make sure all the necessary files are selected. Next, click Export and choose the location where you want to save the package. Once saved, this package can be imported into other Unity projects whenever needed. Test after import. Always test imported packages to ensure everything works correctly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.